Alright, so today we're going to focus on finding a percent of a number, but we're going to focus on it from a taxes point of view since that is a real world application. So in the following question it says you are looking to buy a new winter jacket. The one that you like is $159 before taxes. So you are supposed to determine the tax that you will pay on the jacket and then what the final price of the jacket is including taxes. So we're just going to start by highlighting the important parts of the question. So we're going to need the price of the jacket that you are looking at and what we need to find. So we need to determine the tax and what the final price of the jacket with taxes included is. Now the one thing that they do not tell you in this question is what tax they want you to find. But here in Ontario, we all know that our sales tax is 13%. So that is the percentage that we are going to try to find of $159. So the way we will set up this problem is we will put our 13% over 100%. We will set up equivalent fractions. So what we are looking for will line up with the 13. The price that we know will line up with the 100. From there, there's just two simple steps to solving this problem. We are going to cross multiply the two numbers that we know in the fractions. So from the left fraction, that is our 13, and from the right one, that is our $159. So we will be doing 13 times 159. Now you can simply just use your calculator for this, so I will punch it in. 13 times 59 is equal to 2,067. Now the final step to solving this problem is after you've cross multiplied, we're going to take that number that we found from the cross multiplication and we are going to divide it by the number that we did not use in the left fraction. So that's going to be 2,067 divided by 100. Now you could use your calculator for this, but as we all know, when dividing by 100, we just move the decimal place to the left with the amount of zeros that we are dividing the number. So 100 has 2 zeros, as we can see, so therefore we're going to move the decimal place 2 places to the left, which means our value after dividing it by 100 is going to be $20.67. So that is the number that we were looking for here in the right side of the fraction. So therefore our tax on our jacket is equal to a value of $20.67. So we have determined the tax there. Now for the last part of the problem, all we do is take our 159 and we're going to add $20.67. You can use a calculator, but I'm going to do it here by hand because it's pretty simple. So just follow the columns along. And now, because it's a word problem, we're going to put in a therefore statement. So therefore, the final price of the jacket is $179.67. And that is how you find the percent of a number.